Romanticizing fall doesn't have to mean complicated trips or overstuffed schedules. The magic is in the little swaps you add to your daily rhythm. Today I'm sharing 5 fall activities I've built into my planner and routines, simple seasonal touches that help me stay present, cozy, and intentional all season long. Number 1 is a fall-flavored coffee ritual. Each day, my mornings get an instant seasonal upgrade with my fall coffee ritual. So I make the Fall in Love pumpkin coffee, and I add a little bit of whipped cream, some sugar-free caramel drizzle, and a little topping of fall-colored sprinkles. It is a tiny shift to my morning routine, but it sets a cozy tone for the day. Number 2 is a pumpkin pancake brunch. I am already in the habit of doing a weekend brunch, so instead of inventing the wheel here, I just swap out my usual pancake mix for something seasonal, either the Kodiak Cakes pumpkin pancakes or their cinnamon oat mix. It's a fun upgrade without extra planning that makes the moment feel more fall. Number 3 is to curate your fall TBR list. I like to save spooky, dark academia or cozy autumn reads for the fall time, and I like to pair them with an ambiance playlist, something like a crackling fire, some soft rain, or a moody library soundtrack to make the reading experience extra immersive. So curate your fall TBR list as well, and it will add a little something extra to your reading routine. Number 4 are fall TV and movie nights. To keep fall movie or TV nights intentional, I keep a list of shows and films that I want to watch in my planner, and then I set a recurring time block in my week so they don't get lost in the shuffle. And number 5 is a cozy gaming block or hobby time. My default hobby is already cozy gaming, and so I like to save certain video game titles just for the fall. Things like farming sims, witchy games, things that are a little bit spooky. If you're not a gamer, I want you to think about what your go-to hobby is and how you can give it a seasonal fall vibe. So if you're someone who's already a knitter, maybe you're going to create some autumn pieces, right? Or use some autumn yarns. If you're someone who likes to cook or bake, maybe you'll focus more on baking bread or pumpkin things. If you prefer photography or graphic work, perhaps you're going to go on some fall photography adventures, right? Just insert something seasonal to fall into whatever your hobby is, and it has an instant upgrade. Remember, intentional action always beats hustle. These simple swaps make the most of fall without adding stress or endless to-do lists. If you want to plan an intentional Q4, one where you enjoy the season and hit your goals, check out the Q4 Crescendo Workshop. It's my free Q4 plan with me, and I'll show you how to design a quarter that feels as good as it looks on paper. Link down below in the description where you can sign up today. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these activities are you making time for in your routine this fall? Leave me a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with anyone you think would find it helpful. For more of the behind the scenes of my productivity life and business, make sure you're following me on Instagram at MissTrenchcoat. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos by me. And until next time, bye-bye.